Hello everyone, welcome back to again my YouTube channel. Today the Beyond of You again I have come here taking on new topic from the book of 10th class, and that book name is First Which talking about I have to discuss the Beyond all of You. That topic name is here the Black Aeroplane. This is very motivated story for the 10th class student. The student who is in 10th class, please you must watch this video till end, till where that video will be made by me. You don't miss in watching. If you watch this video continually till end, then really in all of your mind will have lots of the sentences for making interaction with each another person. So my every student, you must follow that which I have told of you for watching of this video. Now let me come on the point. About of that point I shall have to discuss. What is the point here? The Black Aeroplane. This is the third story from the book of First Flight. In this story there are two kinds of aeroplane. One is here Dakota and other is here the Black Aeroplane. What do you understand the meaning of Dakota? Dakota is one kind of old aeroplane. The pilot of Dakota, one day he makes plan to go to England to pass holiday with his family member, and he's flown away in the sky one night. When he's flown away in the sky one night, then he looks clear a sky. The moon was shining and stars were twinkling. He was flying alone in the sky, and all of the villagers were sleeping under of the house. He was wanting to go to England to pass holiday with his family members, and he was wanting to take English breakfast to reaching early morning. When he went to some distance from Paris, then just he decided actually I should check off of my every students from Dakota, and just he switched one radio and he called Paris control, and he started to say, hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? I am speaking DS088. Now I am going to England. Then just from the radio answer came, I can hear you very well, DS088. What are you wanting to ask to me? Any kinds of help? Let you tell me. Just the pilot of Dakota told to Paris airport, I am wanting to ask of you any short airline to reach very soon till England. Just from the radio the answer is coming. If you are wanting to reach to very soon till England, then you turn off your aeroplane nose 12 degree in the west way. It is a short airlines for reaching till England. After that, just he turned off his aeroplane nose 12 degree till west, and he started to go again. When he was going in the west way, when he reached to some distance, then he checked up to every kinds of instrument that all were okay. And when he crossed some distance, means 150 kilometer he was crossed from Paris, and when he reached to more some distance, then suddenly he is looking front of the aeroplane. There was looking black stormy cloud. It was floating in the sky. When he looked to fleeting black stormy cloud for some time, he is nervous, and when he is nervous, then just he started to take to decision, my God, if I shall be entered inside of this stormy black cloud, and if I shall not be able to come out from this stormy black cloud, then I shall be died to crashing of my Dakota. Like this meter started to think the pilot of Dakota. After some time he thought, if I shall turn off my aeroplane again in the same place from where I have turned off my aeroplanes in 12 degree west way, till then my whole fuel will be over, even if I shall be died, because I have not lots of the fuel in my Dakota fuel tank. So what to do this time? Now he started to take decision like this, and again in the mind of Dakota's pilot came, I would take the risk. If I shall take the risk, then really something will happen, good or bad. Whatever is to happen, that will be happen. And thinking of this matter, just he became too ready for taking of the risk, and he entered off his aeroplane in the black stormy cloud. When he is entered in the black stormy cloud, then he is looking to every kinds of the thing black, means everything sudden became black. Then just he decided to call again Paris control. And just he switched on radio and started to say, "Hello, can you hear me? DS-088, Dakota Aeroplanes pilot, I am speaking. Can you hear me? DS-088, I am speaking. Dakota Aeroplanes pilot, Paris control, can you hear me? I am speaking. DS-088, Dakota Aeroplanes pilot." But from the radio, it was not coming out of any answer. After that, just he used of compass. When he used of that compass, then also it was looking to black. He used other kinds of instruments, and also all the instruments had been dead. Now the pilot of Dakota, he was nervous to thinking of that, my God, what will happen with me now? Really, also in my Dakota aeroplane's tank, there is not so much fuel for flying in the sky. If I shall not be able to come out from this stormy cloud, then really I shall be died to crashing of my aeroplane. Like this suspense was going in the mind of Dakota's pilot. Again, one new hope created in the mind of Dakota pilots. Actually, I should take the risk again. After that, he came in very furious mind and he started to drive off his Dakota with very fastly. When he started to drive off his aeroplane with very fastly, then he was going to cleave that stormy black cloud. He was going to cleave, but it was not ending of that stormy black cloud. When he went to some distance, then he is looking just beside of his aeroplane, there was flying another aeroplane, and in that aeroplane there was not of any light in the wings of that aeroplane. Even if the pilot of that aeroplane, he was flying with very confidently. When Dakota aeroplane's pilot saw that another aeroplane to flying just in that stormy cloud, and there was not of any light in the wings of that aeroplane, then he is surprised for some time to thinking of that, my God, I have lights in my aeroplane wings, but in another aeroplane there is not of any light in the wings of that. Even if the pilot of that black aeroplane, he is flying with very confidently. When he went some near of that black aeroplane, then the pilot of that black aeroplane just he took out of the hand and he indicated the pilot of Dakota, let you follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. The pilot of Dakota just he understood, oh, means he is wanting to help to me, means he has understood of my whole problem in this time. That's why he is telling to me, follow me. So I should follow the back of that black aeroplane. After that, he followed. When he followed, then just after 1 or 2 minutes, within, he came out from that stormy black cloud. When he came out from that stormy black cloud, then just he is looking in the earthway. Then from the city it was coming out light. When he looked, that light is coming from the city, that light was coming from the airport. Just Dakota aeroplane pilot decided, I should land off my aeroplane in this airport, and he started to land, and he landed off his aeroplane. When he came out from the aeroplane, then just he looked in the sky, where is that aeroplane who was helping to me in this time? But he did not find of that another aeroplane flying in the sky, who was black aeroplane pilot. He is not looking in the sky. When he did not see to flying of that black aeroplane pilot in the sky, just he decided, actually I should go in the control room. If any person who may have sitting in that control room, that person maybe keeping of any record about of that another aeroplanes flying in the sky, I should take inquiry with control rooms person. And he moved just the way of that airport control room. And when he reached there, then just he is looking in the control room, one lady was sitting, and the Dakota pilot, he is asking, can you tell me, ma'am, who was helping to me in this time in that stormy cloud? Who was he and where did he go? But who was sitting inside of that control room, that lady did not answer. only she was smiling the way of Dakota pilots and did not answer anything. Now the pilot of Dakota, he was wanting to thank of that person because in this circumstance he helped of this Dakota's pilot. So he stayed there. After that, when that lady did not answer, then again he is gone away. This story is over there. All of the student who has watched of this video, first I would like to tell you as many points it has been explained by me, the related from that chapter. Please also you try to see to telling of that as I have told the beyond all of you. In the same way also you discuss to going in the school, the front of the teacher, the front of the student, the front of more any other persons who can understand to very better of our English. With that person you must share. Now this story is ending here. First all of you, I would like to tell, if you have liked this video, please one you like and subscribe and share. Thanks again. I shall visit in my next video. For till then, bye bye. Thanks.